Sai Ram children. Let's continue with our chapter 16, surface area and volume. So which two important formulae we have studied in the previous session? Yes, first one is curved surface area of cylinder. So only write the answer children. Formula of curved surface area of cylinder. Second is total surface area of cylinder. Have you written both the formulae? Yes. Now check the answer. Have you written correctly your formulas? Curved surface area of cylinder. Yes, it is 2 pi r h. And total surface area of cylinder, it is 2 pi r and in bracket h plus r. So these are the two important formulae and we'll be solving the sums based on them. Let's continue with practice set 16.2 with the word problem. Second question. Find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum if its diameter is 50 cm and height is 45 cm and value of pi is given in bracket. And which value we have to take here? We have to take here 3.14. So we know that the values of pi, two are there. One is 22.7 and second one is 3.14. So here it is mentioned. And which are the things given? One diameter is given, which is 50 cm and height is 45 cm. So if you will see the units, both are in the same units, that is centimeters. And what we have to find? We have to find the total surface area. So let's continue. First thing is given. Given is diameter. Diameter of a closed cylindrical drum. And what is the diameter given? It is 45 cm. But in the formula we require radius. Right? So we have to find radius. Radius r is equal to. So radius is half of diameter. So what we will do? Divide diameter, that is 50 by 2. And you will get the answer 25 cm. And height we write the variable used h. So height is 45 cm. Now what we have to find there children? We have to find their total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum. So first thing is we will write the formula. So solution, write formula. Total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum. Now when it is mentioned total surface area, so closed and all, these are the words used. The drum, when we say total surface area, it is you have to find the curved surface area, top, which is the circular top base, and the bottom one, that is also circular. So formula 2 pi r and in bracket h plus r. After writing formula, substitute the values. 2 into pi, which value you have to take now? 3.14 into radius. Radius is 25 cm into, then in bracket, h plus r, 45 plus 25. Then next step, we will solve the bracket part. So other values as it is. 2 into 3.14 into 25. Now 45 plus 25 is 70. So write that. And then what we will do? We will start multiplying. Now children, you are having 4 values to multiply. So it depends on you. You multiply 2 with 3.14, then 25, then 70. Get the answers. All 4 values are there. You can choose the 2 simpler ones. So what I have done? I have done 2 multiply with 25. So we know 2 25s are 50. Right? And then I have written the other values, that is 3.14 into 70. Then next thing what you can do is 50 into 70 you multiply children. So you know 5 sevens are 35 and it is 50 into 70. So 2 zeros. So you write 2 zeros beside it, that is 3500. that you have to multiply with 3.14. Right? Now you know that 3.14 is having decimal, 2 decimal places. And here we are having 3500. So the 2 zeros will go. So finally you multiply now 35 with 314 because decimals have gone with the 0. So final answer you will get is 10,990 square centimeter. So whichever way you want, you have to multiply all these values and get the answer. So final answer is total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum is 10,990 square centimeter. Now next question. Find the area of base and radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. So here we have to find the area of base, and area of base of cylinder is circular, right? So we have to find, indirectly you have to say area of circle. So we have to find that area and also the radius. And what is given? Curved surface area is given, height is given. So let's start. Write given. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Write the value 660 square centimeter. Height is 21 centimeter. Then to find. So two things you have to find. Area of base. So it is shown like this. Question mark. We have to find that. And radius of cylinder. So area of base and radius. These two things we have to find. So solution. Now which area is given? Curved surface area of cylinder is given. And what is the formula of curved surface area of cylinder? Yes, it is 2 pi r h. Then substitute the values. Curved surface area is given 660 is equal to, then 2 into, now here the value of pi 22 upon 7 into r into 21. So we can solve this part. 7 ones are 7 threes are, right? Then what is remaining? 660 is equal to, now 2 and 3 you have to multiply. They are the simpler numbers. So you will write here 6 into 22 into r, right? Then we have to find r. So r is equal to, now you know that 6 and 22 are going to other side of equality. So they will become divide by. So 660 divided by 6 into 22. Now this is simple division. 6 ones are, 6 11s are 66 and 1 0 is there. So 110. Then you can divide 22 ones are directly, 22 5s are. So radius is 5. So this is the way we have got the answer, radius 5 centimeter. Then area of base. Now we know that the base of cylinder is circular. So we are using the formula of circle. Area of base is equal to pi r square. Substitute the values. That is pi 22 upon 7 into 5 into 5. And then we will multiply. 22 with 5, 110. 110 with 5, pi 150 upon 7. So when you will divide these numbers, you will get the answer 78.57 square centimeter. And here I have taken the value of pi as 22 upon 7 because in the previous part also we have taken 22 upon 7. And in case here if you are taking 3.14 into 5 into 5, right? And then accordingly your answer may vary in decimals. You may get the answer 78.5. So this is the value. So if an answer in decimal is varying little bit here, it's okay. So this is the answer, that's 78.57 square centimeter. As the given question is a word problem, so we will write the answer in words. Area of base is 78.57 square centimeter. Radius of cylinder. So two things were asked, right? And radius is 5 centimeter. Now next question. Find the area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Find the approximate area of the sheet required to make a lid of height 2 centimeter for this container. So children, here now what is asked? Area of sheet required to make a cylindrical container. So this word cylindrical tells us that we have to use the formula related to cylinder. And what we have to find? We have to find the area of the sheet required. Now important thing mentioned, it is open at one side. Diameter is 28 centimeter. And as you know, diameter is given, we require radius. So we will take half of that. So radius will become 14 centimeter. Height is 20 centimeter. And also we have to find the approximate area of the sheet required to make a lid. Now when we say lid of this container is cylindrical. So the lid also will be cylindrical. Let's solve. Given diameter is equal to 28 centimeter. So radius is half of diameter. So that is half of 28, 14 centimeter. So 28 divided by 2, 14 centimeter. Now two heights are given. One is the height of the cylindrical container, that is 20 centimeter, and height of the lid, which is 2 centimeter. Now to find, we have to find area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container and lid. So children, here two things we have to find. Area of sheet required to make cylindrical container and lid. And that also cylindrical container, which area? That is not mentioned. So we have to think over which area, because we have studied, one is curved surface area, one is total surface area. And here it is open from one side. So let's start. Solution. Area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container. And we know that this cylindrical container is open from one side, because you might have seen the cylindrical containers at home in the form of drums and all, where the mother they use to store the grain or the things. So they are open from one side and they have a lid. So what is the area now we have to find? Area of the sheet, and that area is curved surface area and area of base. So we know that curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, and area of base is circular, so pi r square. Now here what is common? You will find that pi is common, r is common. So which are the uncommon things? 2h, because 2 here and h. So 2h and plus radius. So we have to write here plus r radius. After writing this, substitute the values. Value of pi 22 upon 7 into r. R is 14. And when we know if one of the number, maybe radius or height, one of the number is divisible by 7. So we take 22 upon 7. And here it is 22 upon 7 pi into 14. And in bracket, that is 2h. So 2 into 20 plus 14. So if you will see the BODMAS rule, we will do bracket part, we will solve. So other things we will write 22 upon 7 into 14. Now solve this part. So first we will multiply 2 with 20. So 2 20s are 40 plus 14. So that is 54. So we are going to write here 54. Now children, that you know that 22 upon 7, right? So one of the values, 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now what is remaining is 22 into 2, that is 44. Multiply with 54. So this is the way that we have got the answer, that is 44 into 54. Right? Now we have to multiply that. So multiply and you will get the answer 2376, that is 2376 square centimeter. And this is the answer of area, that is area of the sheet required to make the cylindrical, that is container, which is open from one side. Now next part what they have asked is area of the sheet required to make lid. Now lid is for what? Cylindrical container. So naturally the lid will also be cylindrical in shape. Only its difference is in height. And as we are placing it lid of the container, so diameter will be same only. So diameter will be same and we have got that answer. It is given, which is 28 centimeter. So radius is half of that 14, right? So that will be using the same value. And method is same, only the difference is difference in height. So let's do it. Area of the sheet required to make lid, that is curved surface area of lid, that is curved surface area plus area of base. So curved surface area, it is 2 pi r h plus area of base, you know, which is circular, pi r square. Same way what is common, pi r is common. Uncommon in the bracket, 2h plus r. Substitute the values, pi 22 upon 7 into 14. Now in bracket you see children, it is 2 into 2 because height of the lid is given 2 plus 14. So when you will solve this part, 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 14, 18. Right? So we will write next step 22 upon 7 into 14 into 18. Now you know that 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 18. So you will get 792 square centimeter. So children, final answer you will write. And in that the first one, what was asked is area of sheet required to make cylindrical container. So answer, the area of sheet required to make a cylindrical container is 2376 square centimeter. And second, the area of sheet required to make a lid is 792 square centimeter. Now volume. Volume of any prism is equal to area of base into height. Now volume of cylinder. So base of cylinder is circular and area of circle is pi r square, and we have to write the height. So this is the formula of volume, pi r square h. You can see children here cylinders are given. Now this is the base of the cylinder. Base of the cylinder is circular. So area is pi r square, area of base, then multiply with height and you will get the volumes formula, volume of cylinder pi r square h. Now practice set 16.3. Find the volume of the cylinder if height h and radius of the base r are given below. Now radius is equal to 10.5 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. And we have to find volume of cylinder. And what is the formula? Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So substitute the value. Value of pi 22 upon 7 into r, which is given radius 10.5. So it is pi r square. So 10.5 multiply with 10.5 into height, that is 8. Now we have to solve, simplify. So you know that 7 ones are, and when you divide 10.5 with 7 you will get 1.5. So you have to children actually divide and you will get this answer. So what is remaining? Write the next step, that is 22 into 1.5 into 10.5 into 8. So now children, when you will multiply 22 with 1.5 you will get 33. So multiply 22 with 1.5 you will get 33, and then you multiply 10.5 with 8, you will get 84. So now multiply 33 with 84 and you will get the answer 2772. That is 2772. And what is the unit of volume? It is cubic, and it is units are centimeters, so cubic centimeters. So for that we write cc. So final answer 2772 cc. Now children, this is the assignment question. Here also radius is given, which is 4.2 centimeter, height 5 centimeter, and we have to find the volume. So it is the continuation part of only of that 16.3, the sum which we did. Is the next question of that, which is given the form of activity. So volume of cylinder, formula volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Then we will substitute the values. Pi value 22 upon 7. Then r, which is given here 4.2. So you have to write 4.2 multiplied by 4.2 with height, which is 5. And after simplifying, that is writing the values, you have to simplify. So 7 ones are, that is divide with 4.2. So when you divide 4.2 with 7, you will get 0.6. Because you know 42 divided by 7, 6. A decimal is given. So 0.6. So what is remaining? Write in the next step. 22 into 0.6 into 4.2 into 5. And now 4 values are given, children. It is up to you how you are multiplying. And better where you are having the 5 or multiples of 5, multiply with the even numbers. So you will multiply 22 with 5, you will get 110. That 110 if you multiply with 0.6, your 0 will go with the decimal. So 11 6 are 66. Then 66 multiply with 4.2. So the way you want to multiply, you have to write the answer, and the answer is 277.2 cc, because the unit is given centimeter. So when we say cc, it is cubic centimeter. So this is the assignment question. And thank you children. We will continue in the next session. Sai Ram.